बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। ये स्टूडेंट्स हम डेटाबेस के अंदर फ़ाइल सिस्टम के फ़ाइल प्रोसेसिंग सिस्टम के डिसएडवांटेजेस डिस्कस कर रहे थे। सेकंड था हमारे पास डाटा आइसोलेशन। डाटा इन फाइल प्रोसेसिंग सिस्टम इज स्टोर्ड इन वेरियस फाइल्स। इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट in to write new application programs to retrieve the appropriate data. Suppose the student emails are stored as student file and fee information is stored in fee file. The data from both files is required to send an email message to inform the student that the date for fee payment is over. In the file processing system, it is difficult to generate such type of list from multiple files. So this type of प्रॉब्लम इज़ कॉल्ड डाटा आइसोलेशन। जब हम डाटा सेपरेट फाइल्स में स्टोर होता है। इंटीग्रिटी प्रॉब्लम्स भी हमें मिलती हैं। इसमें रिलायबिलिटी ऑफ डाटा नहीं होती और एक्यूरेसी ऑफ डाटा भी नहीं होती। स्टोर डाटा मस्ट सेटिस्फाई सर्टन टाइप्स ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी कंस्ट्रेंट। फॉर एग्जांपल, रोल नंबर एंड मार्क्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट should be numeric value. It is very difficult to apply these constraints on files in the file processing system. Program data dependency. Program data dependency is a relationship between data in files and program required to update and maintain the files. Application programs are developed according to particular file format in the file processing system. If the format of file is changed, the application program also needs to be changed accordingly. For example, if there is a change in the length of the postal code, it requires change in programs. The change may be costly to implement. Atomicity problem occurs when an operation on data may consist of different steps. A collection of all steps required to complete a process is known as transaction. Atomicity means either one transaction should take place as a whole or it should not take place at all. Suppose a user wants to transfer money from account A to account B. This process includes deduct the money from account A and add the money to account B. Suppose the system fails when the computer has performed first step. It means that the amount has been deducted from account but has not been added to account B. This situation can make data inconsistent. File processing system does not provide a facility to ensure the atomicity of data. Sixth problem is a security issue. Security problems also exist in traditional file system, and program maintenance is very difficult. Most of the budget may be spent on maintenance. It makes it difficult to develop new applications.